We're going to talk about the Daiquiri 26 now. Now, a lot of folks have these weird flashbacks. They're scared of the word daiquiri. You think, oh, that's gross, it's too sweet, and I don't want a frozen drink anyway, and is it strawberry season? Well, none of those things are relevant. The daiquiri that we're doing a riff on with the Alley 26, the Daiquiri 26, we're riffing on the original daiquiri, which was simply the holy trinity of the ingredients, rather, are the holy trinity of Caribbean or tiki drinking, which is rum, lime, and sugar. That's all you need to make a daiquiri, right? So when we say Daiquiri 26, we were just taking our Alley 26 tonic syrup, because it is a syrup and it's got a good amount of sugar, and using that in place of the original of just the sugar or simple syrup that you would use to make a daiquiri. Now, the fun thing about this drink is the same fun thing about the original daiquiri, which is because it's so basic, it's so simple, it's a tripod of a drink, and we talked about those 3 ingredient drinks, how they kind of beg you to riff on them a bit. And the way to riff on a daiquiri, one way is to change the sweetener, like we're doing with this Daiquiri 26. Another way to completely change the drink is to pick a different rum. With the world of rum so diverse, you can make any number of completely different tasting things that are all just the daiquiri, right? So today, I'm going to use this Plantation Barbados 5-year. It's really easy to get along with, so this version of the daiquiri is going to be really, really easy to get along with, because this particular rum, this 5-year from Barbados, has got a little dosage or a little sugar added to it. So it's not cloyingly sweet, but it's definitely not like a really, really aggressively boozy rum. We're going to put our tonic syrup in, which has got a little quinine in it. So although it's functioning as the sweetener in the drink, it also brings a little more interest and a hint of bitterness to the party. And then, of course, we're going to use some lime juice, because you can't make a daiquiri without a lime. So all of that is how we're going to do this. Now, we also are making a couple of other tonic syrups these days. We have this tropical tonic, and we have this light summer tonic, and either of these would make a different kind of Daiquiri 26 variation, but especially this tropical one, clearly that's a good idea. But I'm going to go with our original recipe, which is the original tonic, and build this really quickly. I'm going to shake, or at least tilt this over until there's no sediment on the bottom, so I know everything's integrated into the syrup. So I'm getting all the good stuff. And we're going to put an ounce of this. Now remember, the daiquiri normally has equal parts sweetener to lime juice, which makes it really delicious and kind of puckering. The Daiquiri 26 doesn't have equal parts. It's an ounce of syrup to 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. Now, why that disparity? Well, as I mentioned earlier, there's cinchona bark in here. So there's already a little bitterness, a little balancing of the sugar that we're bringing to the party with this. So we have a little more of this than we have the lime juice. And then, of course, full shot, 1.5 ounces of whichever rum you choose to make the drink with. Get yourself a glass. I do love a daiquiri. Ooh, it's nice and cold. We're gonna double strain this. Oh, that smells amazing. As soon as we get smell-o-vision, these classes are gonna be even better. Gussy that up with a fresh lime. Daiquiri 26. Enjoy.